What's up guys, Falcon here again. Here we have a 2010 Ford Focus, and actually this issue that we're having on this one happens on mainly all Focuses that I've seen, no matter the year. You got the same 4-cylinder engine, whether it's 2.0 or 2.2, 1.8. So on these Fords, basically you have a transmission mount that goes out. So you get in your car and you actually feel the vibration of the engine on the steering wheel, especially when you put it on drive. I don't know how well you can tell that, but you feel the vibration on the steering wheel itself. So on these cars, the way these cars are set up is you have basically only two motor mounts, or one transmission and one motor mount on these 4-cylinders. You have this one right here, and then you have one right on top of the transmission, and it has on the back a little wishbone, but that one's really not all that important. So you have two mounts basically, and the engine and the transmission are kind of balancing each other off on these two mounts. When you put it in drive and you feel that vibration on your steering wheel, it's gonna be this motor mount here. I've probably replaced about 20-30 of those mounts. It's always the same mount, always the same vibration. So if you guys are having this issue, get this from the Ford dealership. I've tried ordering it at different auto parts places and they usually get it wrong or something like that. And even though right now this one seems or appears to be okay, it's actually internally that it's just failing. It has like some kind of liquid or oil inside to help with the mount, but it's bad. So I'll go ahead and replace that. I'm gonna try to shoot another video afterwards. Hopefully you guys can tell the difference on the inside, but that's basically the issue that happens a lot. If you're encountering this issue on any year Focus, that's pretty much it. You're gonna have two bolts here, one on either side. Just take it off. Of course, you're gonna have to secure the engine from under. Maybe put a jack under it. Put like a piece of, if you have a rubber or like some kind of wood, that way you don't damage the oil pan. Lift it up a little bit, just a couple of inches, and you'll be able to take this off, replace it, put the other new one back on, screw everything back on and tighten it up. So hope it helps, and I'll try to shoot a video afterwards. Thanks. Alright, here it is guys, motor mounts removed. Just have to move the water reservoir out of the way. Two 10mm bolts. Pull it straight out, move it to the side. These two nuts here were 18mm, and the three down here and the one over here, they're 15. And here it is, the motor mount. As I was telling you, it appears to be just fine looking at it from the top, and well, it's on there, but you can see this. Completely in pieces. So even though it appears okay from the top, that's where all the vibration is coming from. And this is just from experience that I've done this so many times. Once I get into these Focuses and I feel it right away, I know what is wrong with it. So just hope this helps somebody, and there it goes. Thanks guys, subscribe.